Hello, dear my friends who are working in industries, industrial professionals, engineering diploma students, engineering degree students, as well as the ITI trainees, ITI craft instructors, and who are working in the industries, having an industrial professional who are working the many number of industries as well as in the workshop, many garages. Today, I have brought you the video on workshop safety. Personal protective equipments. Personal protective equipments, your safety, your priority. Safety isn't just a priority, it is necessity whether you are in construction, healthcare, or in a hazardous workplace. Personal protective equipments or PPE plays a vital role in keeping you safe. Today we are discussing which are the personal protective equipments used in industries, used in many number of workshops where fire safety or electrical safety is important on workplace. PPE, personal protective equipment, plays a vital role. In this video, we are discussing uh, the number of protective equipments which are generally used in workshops as well as in industry. There are 10 items using personal protective equipments. That should be depend on which type of workshop or which type of work will be done in that workshop. Some of the protective equipments are generally here: clothing, respiratory protective equipments, eye and face protection, head protection, hearing protective devices, harnesses, skin protection, protective footwear, sun and heat protection, disposal protective clothing. These are the general items which are used in industries, workshops, garages, automobile sector, in engineering sector where is the workshop safety is first. In this animation we see how the number of PPEs are used by in this animation. In this video, we are discussing about the types of PPE which is used in the workshops. These are the common PPE, personal protective equipments used in the workshops: helmets, safety shoes, respiratory protective equipments, arms and hand protection, eyes and face protection, protective clothing, which is generally used as per your requirement. If there is a working in healthcare sector, working in industries, working in colleges, staffs and trainees having their different protective clothing while working in the workshop. Ear protection, safety belt, harness are the mainly commonly used PPE are here we are discussing. First, we starting the helmet. What is the use of helmet? The helmet is the essential part to use in workshop. The functionality or the use of the helmet is to reduce the amount of force to the head from impact, but cannot provide complete head protection from sharp impact and penetration. Hard hats are intended to provide limited protections against small projects. Uh, that's why for our head protection, helmets are used for our safety. Many number of color codes helmets are used in the industries. The color codes are generally used in for helmet in various color codes are here. First, you see the white helmet, which is used as a used for leadership positions. Yellow colors, general workers or operators. The blue color is a technical operators or electricians. This is generally the blue color helmet is used in the workshop by the technical staffs. Safety inspectors, green. Then maroon road construction workers in civil engineering. Then emergency workers are wearing red type of helmets. Then the gray color helmets are used by the visitors, which are visiting to the workshops, various industries. The visitors are informed to uh, wear the gray color helmets. So this indicates the where they have forget their equipment at home. These are the various colors of safety helmets. Color codes are used in the industry. Next PP is safety shoes. Safety shoes is important because we are working in the workshop. The workshop's workplace is many times very rushy, and for that purpose, we are using footwear such as training shoes or sandals are not useful for workshop where we are working. Uh, the limited protection for our feet is um, obtained by us by safety shoes. For good sound strong shoes, particularly leather steel cap shoes offer the best protection, including protection against molten metal or hot metals, where many number of times we have to use the workplace where is hard work is working there. In this animation, we see how the safety shoes are used. Their construction is there on which place the safety shoes are used. Water resistance, anti-shocks, top cap protection, anti-slip, then midsole protection, and the lightweight. That type of safety shoes are used in the workshops. The next PP is respiratory protective equipment. Many number of times we are working in the area where the air pollution is more, as well as the light, and the air for respiration is very low. That places we are using respiratory protective equipment. And many time of dust is also in the workshop. The machine creates a dust such a dish or any other dust which is very harmful to our respiratory system. That's why we are using respiratory protective equipments. They are prevent the machine operator breathing in just dust particles, which can be harmful over time. Dust makes supplied in a range of designs, and they have a variety of filters suit different dust level and dust types. Many number of respiratory protective equipments are available in various sizes and various type of filters. That should be depend on the work where you are working in the workshop. Next one is the arm and hand protection. Uh, that is the very important PPE which is used every worker or which in every the skilled technical person in industry. That is used for arms and hands protection. Gloves act as a thin, breathable rail between the worker skin and the tools and materials they are handling. Fabric gloves provide minimal protection against punctures, hazards, jagged materials, open flames, and hot surfaces. However, they are good for keeping hands clean and can prevent minor scrap and abrasions. Here in this video, we see the machine part which is lifted by the worker with he has wear the safety arms and hand protection gloves. Next, PPE is eyes and face protection. When working on machine, it is essential that eye protection is worn. Working on machines without eye protection will inevitably result in serious accidents. You only have one pair of eyes and they are worth protecting. Safety goggles are visor offer eye protection. Visors have the added advantage of covering the face. Safety goggles and visors are rated according to the type of work being carried out. In this video, we see the training of our Industrial Training Institute, Aeronautical Structure and Fitter. using eyes and face protection for doing a job, drilling on a aluminum sheet. She has using a number of protective devices there, and the workplace safety as well as her eye safety. The eyes and face protection is the most important role to save our eyes, uh, nose, and other face part from the injuries. Protective clothing. Safety aprons are essential in the PPE. Many number of aprons are designed as per our requirement. Uh, that should be depend on which type of work you have to done. If the health sector is there, white apron is used. Generally in industries, blue color apron is mostly used in industries for protective clothing. In this video I have shown you the our institute students, aeronautical structure and equipment fitters, have used protective clothing for proper security from their workplace, or security from the machine parts, and avoiding the injuries. The next one is ear protection. Uh, the type of ear protection is very important in industries where the many number of jobs and the machine vibrations and the sound will be very loud in that area. To protect our ears from large sound, we are using ear protection. uh, for that purpose, we are using a ear plug as well as a ear type mug here, which is help to protect our ears from large sounds. And we here see that should be depend on which type of work is there. In this video, we see our Industrial Training Institute trainee is working on doing a riveting on a aluminum plate, while he working on doing a riveting. He wear ear protection to avoid him from is the large sound from the doing the practical job. Next one is safety belt harness. Safety belt harness is used where the thing standing between a serious injury to health. That is very important in construction work, where construction work is done, or where in you have to do the work at height places. Safety belt harness is used. It is critical to right full body harnesses for yourselves and your team. Understanding the design and use empowers you to make right decision when it comes to your fall protection gear that should be used in we see many number of harnesses will be designed as per our requirement, as per the decision to where the worker is to do the working. If you see in construction line, the workers have to work at various different heights for work to climb there. For that purpose, the harnesses is in industries as well as in construction work. In everywhere, harnesses is play in important role where the worker is to have the work in at height positions. Thank you very much, everybody. I hope that video is very important, very useful to you. What are the types of protective equipments used in industries as well as in various places, healthcare sector, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, ITIs, and where the work is done by the workers for their safety. They have to use their the protective equipments very usefully to get a better life as well as a better workplace. Thank you very much. Myself Jairam Sasane. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel, ITI Maths and Drawing Vocational Training Content. I hope you like this video. Please click on a bell icon and Share my videos to your friends and colleagues to motivate me. Thank you.